I'm not saying this dahil masama yung loob ko. I'm saying this kasi ito yung napuna ko doon. Ayoko na lang i-brought up. Pero, sana naman pag may mga ikakasal, patapusin nyo na muna yung event. Hindi yung mag-aas kayo, uy, pabalot ng tirang pagkain na. Uy, yung cake sa amin na, hindi man inisip na, uy, ang liit lang ng slice namin ng cake. Gusto sana namin din kainin yun. Kasi, before para ata sabihin sa amin, binabalot na. Nakita ko, pinapabalot na eh. Hindi man lang sa akin sinabi.
Kasi sino pa yung maganda yung forma, siya yung ano.
Ang ganda-ganda ng forma nila, pero grabe. Sana wag ganun. Tapos, punta na kami ng airport. Sinisipon-sipon pa ako. Ay, naku. Sana kinakain ko yung cake ngayon. Wala. Grabe talaga. Ito yung scary part ng buhay mo. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Yay! Okay. Hello po.
Cards, and then if you remember, I mean, which kind of ID, maybe it's a school or something ID, because there's different kind of ID.
Southwest store. See there. You can go here. Read. So we're going to the port, and then after the port, mayroong guide with a number, and then pupunta tayo sa port. Diba, babe? Ilo ka? Drinks. Yeah. And then go to the front part. Cute here. And then lounge nila. Nice. And I also have this one.
Sorry babe, sorry.
Ano sabi dun sa pool area? Hindi, tanungin ko si Pusa. Here's the comfort room. Let's go inside. Wala lang hot and cold shower, but yeah, look neat, and may bathtub silang provided. Malaki-laki din yung ano nila, and also there is also complimentary, mga Pinoy mag-ingay. Complimentary, yeah. As we go here, I don't know kung ano yung side na to. Kabila na yan. So let's try na ilak. And this is the whole part of the room. Ayan yung room natin. So as we go here, mayroong couch, and may provided sila na drawer. Ayan. Okay, malaki. Meron din sila provided na laundry bag, may number list, at may safe. The other side, may payong din na provided. In fairness, ang dami. And they also have here aircon, a bit of design, at napakaganda ng details ng kahoy. And as you can see, it's like a banig. Ang ganda. Tapos ayan, may number. And here, because it's our honeymoon, nag-provide sila ng small stuff. It's so cute. Look at that. And this one, it's so cute. Pipicturean pa natin yun mamaya. But it's so nice. And here on the side, ayan. And there's also, may initan. Alam nyo na, kape is live. Pwede tayo magkape. What is really good about this place is here. So, pag inopen natin to, oh, hindi na tayo marunong magbukas ng Pilipino na ano na tel. Yan. Open dun sa kabila. Di mo tatanaw kanila. It's open on the side. But, as you go here, you can see yung pool side. There's the pool side. And if you go on the other side, there is also a beach side on the other side. Mini bar here, but ito yung complimentary nila. Refillable din to. May initan naman, may dala akong kape. Ito yung list ng mini bar nila. Yan, Nature Spring 80, San Miguel, Coke, 120, Royal 100, and they also offer adapter para sa mga galing sa European or yung ganito yung, ayan, 100. Here na sa Boracay. So, ito yung hotel namin. And since it's honeymoon, they also provide a short, cute stuff lang dyan. Yan. Here, malaki yung room actually. I made a coffee. And meron silang mga ganyan, information about Paradise Garden. And as you can see here, meron na kagad nagsaswimming. Ayan o, there. Nice. Pupunta na tayo sa beach area. Dinala ko yung camera ko. Wag na babe. Wag na babe, okay lang.
Hindi na boost.